Smoking is a powerful addiction that affects millions of people worldwide. You might be looking for a way to quit. Maybe you've tried before, or perhaps this is your first time seeking help. Regardless, deciding to quit smoking is one of the best decisions you can make for your health. This video will walk you through practical steps to help you quit smoking for good. Understanding your addiction. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand why smoking is so addictive. Nicotine, the main addictive substance in cigarettes, affects your brain and creates a physical dependency. When you smoke, nicotine quickly reaches your brain and releases chemicals that make you feel good. Over time, your body gets used to these chemicals and craves more, making it hard to quit. Step 1. Set a quit date. The first step in quitting smoking is to set a quit date. Choose a date within the next 2 weeks, so you have time to prepare, but not too much time to lose motivation. Mark this date on your calendar and tell your friends and family about it. Their support will be crucial as you begin this journey. Step 2. Know your triggers. Everyone has triggers that make them want to smoke. It could be stress, boredom, or even social situations where others are smoking. Make a list of your triggers and think about how you can avoid or manage them. For example, if you usually smoke when you drink coffee, try drinking tea instead. If stress is a trigger, find new ways to relax, like taking a walk or practicing deep breathing exercises. Step 3. Find a support system. Quitting smoking is hard, but you don't have to do it alone. Tell your friends, family, and coworkers that you're quitting and ask for their support. Consider joining a support group or talking to a counselor who specializes in helping people quit smoking. Online forums and social media groups can also be great places to find encouragement and advice. Step 4. Consider nicotine replacement therapy. Nicotine replacement therapy, NRT, can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. NRT comes in several forms, including patches, gum, lozenges, nasal spray, and inhalers. These products provide a small, controlled amount of nicotine without the harmful chemicals found in cigarettes. Talk to your doctor about which option might be best for you. Step 5. Prescription medications. In addition to NRT, there are prescription medications that can help you quit smoking. These medications work by reducing cravings and withdrawal symptoms. 2 common options are bupropion, Zyban, and varenicline, Chantix. These medications can double your chances of quitting successfully, but they can also have side effects, so it's important to talk to your doctor before starting them. Step 6. Change your routine. Changing your daily routine can help you break the habit of smoking. If you usually smoke first thing in the morning, try starting your day with a healthy breakfast or a short walk instead. If you smoke during breaks at work, use that time to call a friend or do a quick workout. By replacing smoking with healthier activities, you'll be less likely to reach for a cigarette. Step 7. Stay busy. Keeping busy can help take your mind off smoking. Find new hobbies or activities that you enjoy, like reading, gardening, or playing a sport. Exercise is especially helpful because it reduces stress and improves your mood. Even small activities like chewing gum or drinking water can help keep your hands and mouth busy. Step 8. Deal with cravings. Cravings are a normal part of quitting smoking, but they usually only last a few minutes. When you feel a craving coming on, try to distract yourself with something else. Drink a glass of water, chew on a piece of gum, or take a few deep breaths. Remind yourself why you decided to quit and how much better you'll feel once you're smoke-free. Step 9. Avoid temptation. In the first few weeks after quitting, try to avoid situations where you might be tempted to smoke. This might mean avoiding places where people are smoking or or spending time with non-smoking friends. If you have cigarettes at home, get rid of them. The fewer temptations you have, the easier it will be to stay on track. Step 10. Reward yourself. Quitting smoking is a big accomplishment, and it's important to reward yourself along the way. Set small goals and treat yourself when you reach them. For example, after a week without smoking, buy yourself a small gift or treat. After a month, do something special like going to a movie or a nice dinner. Celebrating your progress will help keep you motivated. Step 11. Stay positive. Quitting smoking is a journey, and it's important to stay positive even if you have setbacks. If you slip up and have a cigarette, don't get discouraged. Instead, think about what led to the slip and how you can avoid it in the future. Remember that quitting smoking is a process, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Step 12. Take care of your health. As you quit smoking, focus on taking care of your overall health. Eat a balanced diet, drink plenty of water, and get regular exercise. These healthy habits will help your body recover from the effects of smoking and make it easier to stay smoke-free. Also, make sure to get regular checkups with your doctor to monitor your progress and address any health concerns. Conclusion: quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health, and it's never too late to start. By following these steps, you can break free from the addiction and enjoy a healthier, smoke-free life. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. Reach out for support, stay positive, and celebrate your progress along the way. You can do this. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to quit smoking. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more health tips and advice.